It's time to rise up, get our act together. This is so much more than changes in the weather. And we say no, no, no more wasting time. And we say no, no, no more wasting time. The time is now, oh, oh, oh. The time is now, oh, oh, oh.
Typically, Earth Day is assigned a different theme or area of focus each year. This year's theme is Restore Our Earth. Most years, Earth Day events range from river cleanups to removals of invasive plants, with social distancing still in place for many of us this April. Earth Day has gone digital. Virtual events such as environmental lectures and films will take place on Earth Day, April 22nd, Thursday. Of course, social distancing doesn't mean that you can't go outside and enjoy nature, as long as you do so responsibly. Since its founding, people around the globe have honored the earth and supported environmental initiatives on this day. Even though we may be stuck inside and unable to participate in group activities this year because of the COVID-19 pandemic, we can find other ways to celebrate with these Earth Day activities that you can do at home.
Protecting our Earth starts from you. Celebrate Earth Day by appreciating and respecting the natural world. Some ideas to inspire us this year. 1. Support our pollinators. Bring native bees and other pollinating creatures to your garden. One way to do this is by selecting the right plants. 2. Clean up plastic in our neighborhood or local park. 3. Plant a tree. 4. Use 4 R's concept in our daily life, means reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. 5. Shop sustainable brands online. 6. Donate to charity. 7. Take a virtual field trip. If you can't get outside, bring the outdoors in with a virtual field trip. We can take a tour of a national park, explore the Great Barrier Reef, or even stroll through a botanical garden.
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी है नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी है नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा कि कुदरत की हर नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है
मौका ये अब ना गवाए
Plastic has become a serious ecological threat to humanity. Almost 74 countries have called a ban on the use of plastic bags and 34 states impose a charge per pack. Despite the ban of plastics that weigh under 50 microns, in India, a large part of our ecosystem is still under threat.
the earth not just because we care about the natural world, but because we live in it. Every one of us needs a healthy earth to support our jobs, livelihoods, healthy survival and happiness. So, happy Earth Day to everyone.
फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे.
COVID-19 is what will teach us how to respond to a crisis. With climate change, it affects human health, food security, agricultural security, political and economic stability and governance. Coronavirus is more immediate, but it's going the same thing. Are we going to get enough people to understand the gravity of the problem before it's devastating in its impacts and possibly reversible? Together we can save the earth. Every bit of warming matters, every year matters, every choice matters. Let's promote harmony with nature and earth. The time is for action now.